guys, welcome to my channel Computer Science World. I hope you all are doing good. So आज हम कर रहे हैं MCQs. टॉपिक है वेक्टर एटम मॉडल एंड डबलेट फाइंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्कली मेटल्स. ठीक है, तो इससे पहले हम स्टार्ट करें गाइस, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज हाउ डज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन मूविंग इन एन ऑर्बिट एक्सपीरियंस ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? ए, ड्यू टू न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, बी, ड्यू टू मोशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, and C is due to Lamar's precision, and D is none of these. So here option B is the correct answer, that is due to motion of electron in electric field it experience a magnetic field. Okay, so question number second is the magnetic field experienced by electron is given by. So the correct formula for magnetic field is H is equal to E cross V by C, where C is the speed of light and V is the velocity of electron. Okay guys, next question is what is the magnitude of angular momentum associated with the orbital motion of the valence electron is given by. So here option B is the correct answer. Angular momentum associated with orbital motion is given by, whose magnitude is given by, square root of L into L plus 1 into H cut. H cut का मतलब होता है इस which is equal to H by 2 pi. Okay guys. Question number 4th, what is an intrinsic angular momentum spin's magnitude? मतलब स्पिन एंगुलर मोमेंटम का मैग्नीट्यूड. ठीक है, तो ये होता है square root of s into s plus 1 h cut, where s is a spin quantum number. Next question is in vector atom model, in case of a single valence electron, if spin angular momentum s of magnitude square root s into s plus 1 into h cut is added vectorically to the orbital angular momentum L of magnitude root of L into L plus 1 into h cut, then what is the resultant? So here the resultant is B, that is J into J plus 1 square root into h cut. Okay, where J is equal to L plus minus S. Question number 6 is in case of two valence electron with orbital angular momentum L1 and L2, the resultant orbital angular momentum number will be. So here option C is the correct answer, that is L is equal to L1 plus L2, L1 plus L2 minus 1 up to L1 minus L2. Okay, question number 7th is when atomic number increases, this selection rule is observed in the same way as it is. B, less and less strictly, C, more and more strictly, D, invalid. So it becomes less and less strictly. Okay, here option B is the correct answer. See next question, the doublet separation increases rapidly with A, decreasing atomic number, B, going to higher member of series, C, increasing atomic number. So here option C is the correct answer, that is increasing atomic number. Question number 9th is in sharp series splitting are constant shows that A, p level do not splits more, B, s level do not split, C, s level splits more, and D, p levels do not split. So here option B is the correct answer, that is s level do not split. Question number 10th is within each element p doublets are dash then d doublets of same principal quantum number and d doublets are dash then f doublets. So here option C is the correct answer, both wider. Okay, p से wider, p किससे wider होगा, d से, और d किससे wider होगा, f से. ठीक है. Question number 11th is write down the values for magnetic quantum number. So here values are 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, Question number 12 is, what is the gyromagnetic ratio for the spinning electron? So here the correct formula is A to m by 2e, B to ec by 2m, C to c by 2em, D to e by 2mc. Don't be confused, correct formula is 2e by 2mc. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 13 is, the sum of intensity of those lines of doublet which come from a common initial level is proportional to the A. quantum weight of 2j plus 1 of that level, B. quantum weight of that level, C. L quantum number, D. none of these. So here option A is the correct answer. Quantum weight 2j plus 1 of that level. Question number 14, the sum of intensity of those lines of doublet which n a common level is proportional to dash. A. quantum weight 2j plus 1 of that level, B. quantum weight of that level, C. L quantum number, D. none of these. So here option B is the correct answer. Question number 15, when there is more than one such a line in the same doublet, the line involving the largest j value is, ओके तो मतलब जो लाइन है जिसकी लार्जेस्ट जे वैल्यू है वो क्या होगी, ठीक है, स्मॉलर होगी, वीकर होगी, स्ट्रोंगर होगी या नन ऑफ दिस. तो ऑप्शन सी जो है यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है. ओके गाइस. Question number 16 is, which type of structure is shown by each line of a series in the spectra of alkaline elements. So here option B is the correct answer. They show doublet structure. Okay. Question number 17. In the magnetic field H is equal to this, the spinning electron undergoes dash precession around the field direction. So it undergoes Lamar's precession. Okay. Question number 18. The term symbol for a particular atomic state is quoted as 4d phi by 2. What are the values of L, S and J for this state? What is the minimum number of electron which could give rise to this state? Okay, so here it is given 4d phi by 2. So from this as it is given d, so L is equal to 2. Okay, and 4d phi by 2, it means J is equal to phi by 2, and we have to calculate the S now. So formula for S is 2s plus 1 is equal to 4 as it is given. 2 is equal to 4 minus 1, S is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, then now the minimum number of electrons should be is 3. Okay, and the state is quartet. Okay. Question number 19. What are the selection rules operative in the total angular momentum, angular quantum number? So here answer is del L is equal to plus minus 1 and J is equal to 0 plus minus 1. Okay. Question number 20th. What are the equation for the inner and outer segment of elliptical orbit of electron in the atom? Okay, फिर inner segment की statement होती है del V I is equal to RD square ZI to power 4 and I divided by NI cube L into L plus 1, और V out की होती है del V out is equal to RD square ZI का 4 divided by NO cube L into L plus 1. Okay. So question number 21 is, for a single valence electron of hydrogen like system moving in a central field of the equation is, उसके लिए equation क्या होगी, ठीक है, उसके लिए equation होती है R cross MV is equal to L star H कट. ओके, आर क्या है यहाँ, रेडियस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, जिस फील्ड में मूव कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन उसकी रेडियस. सॉरी, एम क्या है, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, वी है वेलोसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, और एल क्या है, मैग्नीट्यूड, एल इंटू एल स्टार. एल स्टार क्या है, मैग्नीट्यूड है उसका एल का, एल इंटू एल प्लस 1 का स्क्वेयर रूट, और एच कट क्या है, एच बाय 2 पाई. थैंक यू गाइज. तो आई होप ये आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो गए होंगे. अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में क्वेश्चन करके पूछ सकते हैं. अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पे MCQs वीडियो चाहिए या कंप्यूटर साइंस से रिलेटेड टॉपिक पे एक्सप्लेनेटरी वीडियो चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगी. और प्लीज़ गाइस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को लाइक करें. थैंक यू ऑल.